the entire game, like a spectator, yeah?
Yes.
What did you see? Were you expecting this kind of no-show from Lithuania?
No, I was expecting completely the opposite. I was expecting one Lithuania that will show the heart, the strength, the power that it usually shows, that it showed in previous championships. But today we saw a different picture. On the other hand, I think we played really well defensively, and we managed to exploit all their weaknesses on defense, and they just didn't strike me as a team that was willing to die on the court or to sacrifice, for those little things. And I think that was the big difference today. And, once we got the lead of 10-15 points, it was obvious that they're in difficulty, that they have big problems, and they were just not a unit. They were not fighting together.
Have you seen Lithuanians like this during your career?
No, that's a first for me.
Did you maybe receive them SMS message from Ramūnas?
For now, no. I haven't checked my phone yet, but for sure I will send him something.
Okay.
A joke or something.
You had Lithuanian curse or something against Lithuania. You always lost. Is this curse over?
Well, of course. Once you win, the curse is over. Now we know that we can beat them. Our confidence is high, and hopefully, even the championships that will come, we will still be able to beat you.
Okay. Thank you.